When it comes to maintaining your home in Tuscaloosa, your windows play a much larger role than most homeowners realize. Beyond letting in light and framing your view, windows protect your home from Alabama's humid climate, seasonal storms, and fluctuating temperatures. If your windows are old, damaged, or inefficient, they can quietly drain your wallet and impact your comfort. Here are the top signs it might be time for a window replacement or new installation in Tuscaloosa. Rising energy bills. One of the clearest signs your windows need attention is an unexplained increase in your energy bills. Tuscaloosa's warm, humid summers mean your air conditioner works hard to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. If your windows are poorly insulated, have broken seals, or allow drafts, that cool air is escaping, forcing your HVAC system to run longer. Energy-efficient replacement windows can significantly lower your cooling and heating costs while making your home more comfortable year-round. Drafts and uncomfortable temperatures. Do you feel a breeze even when your windows are closed? Drafty windows often indicate worn weather stripping, cracked seals, or warped frames. Over time, wooden or aluminum frames can expand and contract with Tuscaloosa's seasonal humidity changes, creating gaps that let air in. If certain rooms feel hotter in summer or colder in winter, new window installations can restore comfort and maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Visible damage or rot. Inspect your windows closely. Are there soft spots, cracks, peeling paint, or signs of rot? Water infiltration is a common problem in older homes, especially after heavy Tuscaloosa rainstorms. Wooden frames, in particular, can absorb moisture and deteriorate over time, leading to mold growth and structural issues. Cracked glass or damaged frames not only reduce energy efficiency but also compromise security. Replacing damaged windows ensures both safety and long-term durability. Difficulty opening or closing windows that stick, jam, or refuse to open are more than just a nuisance. They're a potential safety hazard. Over time, debris buildup, rust, or frame warping can make operation difficult. Properly functioning windows are essential for ventilation and emergency egress. Modern window replacements glide smoothly, lock securely, and offer enhanced functionality with tilt-in features for easy cleaning, a big plus for Tuscaloosa homeowners dealing with pollen and humidity. Condensation between glass panes. If you notice fogging or condensation trapped between the panes of double or triple glazed windows, the seal has failed. This moisture buildup indicates that your insulated glass unit, IGU, is no longer airtight. Once the seal breaks, your windows lose their insulating gas and efficiency, allowing heat and humidity to transfer easily. Replacing these windows restores proper insulation and prevents long-term moisture damage to surrounding frames. Excessive noise from outside. Tuscaloosa's bustling neighborhoods and busy streets can bring unwanted noise into your home. If you hear traffic, barking dogs, or outdoor conversations even with windows closed, your current windows might lack soundproofing. Modern energy-efficient windows with double or triple panes dramatically reduce exterior noise, helping create a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Sometimes, the need for window replacement isn't just about performance, it's about appearance. Old, faded, or mismatched windows can make your home look dated. Upgrading to modern styles such as double-hung, casement, or picture windows can refresh your home's exterior while increasing resale value. New windows also allow for better natural light control and improved aesthetics that complement Tuscaloosa's diverse architectural styles. Water leaks or drafts during rainstorms. If water seeps in around your window frames after a Tuscaloosa thunderstorm, that's a clear red flag. Poor sealing and outdated flashing can allow water to enter, leading to mold and wall damage. Professional window installation ensures tight sealing and proper alignment to protect your home from Alabama's heavy rains. Final thoughts. Whether your goal is to reduce energy bills, improve comfort, or update your home's look, replacing or installing new windows is a smart investment for Tuscaloosa homeowners. Modern windows are designed to withstand the local climate, enhance efficiency, and provide lasting value. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, don't wait until small problems become costly repairs. Consider scheduling a professional window inspection today. Your home, comfort, and energy savings will thank you.